to go farther, you need to prepare. Remove all limits and let go of the boundaries that are holding you back.
So as we've been growing FSS, me and Richard knew that we had some limits to be able to grow as fast as we wanted to grow. And one of the great things about joining Groundworks is those limits are erased. There is no limits anymore.
FSS employees will now have a much greater career path moving forward.
Everyone's going to have opportunities to move up in so many different ways.
I know that the lives and families of my people are going to be better for it.
This has the potential to be single-handedly one of the best things that could happen to any one of our lives.
We've got great benefits now that are coming our way and paid time off.
The opportunity to earn more for their families, to advance their career.
Be trained by the best.
The development and growth of their people is really what they're passionate about.
Groundworks has the resources that we need. They have the knowledge to accelerate the growth that FSS is capable of.
We're going to make FSS the brand in Texas. So we're going to expand and open an office in Dallas. We're going to expand to Houston. We're going to leverage that team, leverage the experience to push out and grow all across the state of Texas.
I believe that FSS and Groundworks together, we will conquer the state of Texas.
The expansion is going to be unbelievable.
We're in the Wild West of foundation repair, but we have an opportunity here to take it over.
And just see this huge, great state of Texas become a full Groundworks state.
The customers for FSS will be greatly impacted by having an industry leader in the nation.
With us being able to have better access to training, to products and materials, we're able to put those better products into the ground for our customers.
I'm so excited to see what the future looks like, especially now with this partnership with Groundworks.
Because now there truly is no limits. We are fixing to take over the state of Texas. And for anybody that's not on board, you're going to get left behind.
Today starts a new journey. A journey of expansion, growth, opportunity, a journey of no limits.